When winter hit back home, I decided to do something different. I escaped. And while I was unwinding on the pool deck, a rainbow stretched across the sky, the kind of moment that made me feel I had chose the right escape. Join me. Well, good morning. It's day 3, and we're going to have a wonderful day. Reunion for me on these cruises. Well, that comedy show was great. Good night. Well, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's day 3, and we are in Port Canaveral this afternoon in a few hours. So I'm about to go and have a cup of cappuccino. Hit a couple of events. I have a charm to pick up. They're doing daily charms for the bracelet, and we're gonna have a wonderful day. Join me. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We've made it successfully downstairs, and I am having my cappuccino, and I just finished looking at the agenda, and there are several things that I'm going to do today. And of course, I'm going to take you right along with me. So we're going to enjoy this cup of coffee in a quiet mode. I did not do the special breakfast restaurant this morning that I normally am thrilled to go to, out of the hustle and bustle of being in that buffet. I instead slept in, and I woke up with my eyes naturally open. The joy. And so, that's what happens when you're traveling along and you're on your own schedule. Commercial encouragement for those of you who are wondering whether you can pull this off. You absolutely can. You absolutely can. Look at that beautiful water behind me. We are going to be arriving at Port Canaveral in Florida in probably about 5 hours. And so the rest of the day, at least for the next 5 hours, good morning. I'm wonderful. How are you? It's good to see you. Say hello.
Morning.
And he just called me by my name, so you'll experience that as well. Thank you so much. Thank you. And it's just fun. It's fun. You know, I claimed on my last trip that this was going to be like a high school reunion for me on these cruises. Running into and seeing all my buddies, all my friends. And the hospitality is so amazing here. And so, they do. I don't know if they just take them to the side and there's some training class that says, here's how you remember people. But I think these people are just naturally inclined to do whatever they can to ensure you're having a good time. And I guess if you're pleasant to them, they'll remember you. I don't know what the secret is. But whatever it is, I love a little bit of it because I'm terrible with names. I don't know how you are. How are you with names? Anyway, I'm here having a wonderful, wonderful time. Maybe I'll run into you one of these days.
So don't be afraid to come closer. We'll get some snow in Florida.
Cause the pressure's really bringing me down. Try and feel yourself.
wonderful, wonderful dinner. I think I'm going to end up catching a show after. I can't recall the name of it, but it's at 9:30 tonight. I think it's a comedian, and I can't remember his name. So the last comedian was great, so we'll see. Anyway, I'm having a wonderful dinner. All is well. We're doing pasta tonight. I'm letting you get the first bite. Oh yeah. And he just put some Parmesan cheese on there for you. There you go. Isn't that wonderful? Let's see. Let's see. Better than I thought it was going to be. Pretty good.
97%.
Well, here I am. I am here at the comedy show. I made it. Dinner was great. And so this has just been a fabulous cruise so far. I'm so grateful for the experience. So yes, I am here at the comedy show, so you'll be experiencing it right along with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Getaway! Wow, you are a great crowd. Nothing like the 7:30 crowd. They were rubbish. So we're pleased to have you all back with us. Are you ready for some comedy? Great stuff. Now, before we get into the comedy, I have to share a few things for you. Tomorrow, of course, we will be in our private island, Ocean Key. It is paradise. Has anybody been before? Beaches, 9 white sandy beaches for you, crystal clear blue waters, plenty of things to do on there, plenty of marine life. Showtime!
How's everybody? Come on, you're on vacation on a cruise ship. You can do better than that. How are you tonight? Nice, good. Don't tell me you're still cold. I know it was tough day one. Come on a ship with Brooklyn. Packing was horrible. Pack your bikini and your scarf and your hat and your gloves. I saw you all up in the marketplace with your luggage and your cheeseburgers, man at the world. We paid big money for this cruise and our cabin's not over. We just got in it, we just came in. 5,000 people got off the ship, 5,000 more came on. You know, let them Febreze your pillow or whatever they do.
Well, that comedy show was great. I am calling it. It's been a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow.